Hello, trading is closed on December 8th, 2016. Let's first look at my calls from yesterday, then the short-term picture, and finally the long-term picture. Yesterday we looked for a market that would hit its low after about an hour of trading and rally all day. That happened. I said I expected a rally to continue into early next week. We didn't rally much, but we did go up. We said this optional target might not work. We came nowhere close. We'll just forget that one. But there's a new target, most likely to print by early Monday, of 2240.44, and that's my call. If we gap up smartly and take out this high, it might be out of reach, but if we don't, I think that's going to print and maybe some more. During the day, MEJT said in the afternoon, ultimately higher and lower prices would print, which they did. We stalled at MEJT resistance. It said from early on the whole rally was not for keeps, and there's the target. Short term, this is a daily pattern which usually closes near the high. If we do not close near the high, and if we don't gap up tomorrow and hit something over this high, it usually leads to a drop. It's also negative that we rallied all day and couldn't close over these highs, and it's really negative we couldn't close over these lows. But if we gap up, that'll be negated. Well, I was looking for a rally into Monday or Tuesday, hitting 2285 to 2290. But there's a guy that I follow a lot, and his number hit right at today's high, practically on the nose, within a few pennies. So what are the chances that that's the high of this move? Well, on the 65-minute chart, we have number 13 of a combo sell signal. There's your bar. Absent a large drop early tomorrow to around 22.25, we're going to print number 9 of a 9, 13, 9 combo and sequential sell signals. On the half-day chart, these are powerful signals. The longer the duration of the bar, the more meaningful the signal, and the more different time frames in alignment, the more meaningful the signal. We're still on number 13 for a sequential sell on the weekly chart. That's in alignment. Well, here's your daily. We have 2 bars to go for the combo sell, 3 to go for the sequential. But these patterns are not obligated to go to completion. And there's nothing that says number 13 has to be higher than this here. It could drop, go up again, and print 11 through 13 at lower prices, and 12 and 13 here typically have higher closes, but the last 3 bars, 11, 12, and 13, don't have to obey all the rules. So if we dropped and rallied again, we could get that signal from DeMark on the daily chart to 2. Of course, it doesn't have to go to completion, and we have enough other charts to give us a sell. So if we drop from here in spades, this could be it. It's a possible top for the move. So for tomorrow, here's the call. If we don't gap up and promptly take out this high, I look for lower prices. Here's the target. But if the drop starts tomorrow and it's impulsive and strong, that may be all she wrote for this leg up, and that's today's call.